Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to use the combo box control in our Qt widget application. Today in this video I will show you how to customize and change the style sheet of our combo box control. So let's start. Just simply select your combo box and change style sheet. So here there is a two type of style sheet for this combo box. There is a one for the drop down arrow and drop down window. Okay, so let's start. So first of all let's customize our basic combo box. So first of all let's set the border 2 pixels solid. Let's set the one random color 3498 dB, and let's set the border radius. This is at the basic style sheet property. Okay, and also let's set the padding 5 pixel. You can see this is a combo box style sheet. Now let's apply for the drop down. So simply set the drop down for the border as a none. And now let's run this application and check this. So here you can see we apply the border as a none for, and our drop down arrow icon is also hide. So let's run this application first. So you can see this is our drop down, and you can see also get the shade of our items. Okay, now let's customize your drop down arrow icon. Okay, so here is a down arrow. Let's set here first of all background color. So this is our background color. If you remove this, so you can see this list look like that. So here we set the border as a none, and you can see this is our drop down arrow. And now let's set this some width and height also. Let's set the 2020, and let's set this some margin also, margin right. Let's set 50 pixel. So you can see here you can also set your image or specific icon. When drop down is active, you can set a up arrow, and when drop down is not active, you can set the specific down arrow by use of add border image or background image. Okay, so currently we don't have any image, or we didn't add any resource for that. So here you can apply background color or instead of background image, or background image instead of background color. Okay, so now let's run this application and check this. Wait for the build. So you can see this is our. Now let's customize our this drop down window. Okay, now let's first of all increase the item. Let's add here some 5 to 6 items in our combo box, 4 and 5. Go to UI and change the style sheet. So now let's set the background view of our background color of our abstract item view. Okay, so there is a one class is QAbstract item view. So for that let's set the background color first. Let's try to set here some darker color, and set the selection background color. So whenever item is selected, so we apply here any special color for that background color. And let's set here some border radius 8 pixel, and color set as a white. Now let's run this application, check our abstract item view. So you can see this is our abstract item view look like. So whenever select any item, you can see currently this item is selected and this is a background color, and you can see the radius of our abstract item view. And here you can also set your specific icon. As I told you, you just have to set the background image for that, and that's it. And you can see this is our how combo box look like instead of a normal combo box, and this is a customized and styled combo box. Okay, so these are the basic and simple style sheet which you can apply and make a attractive or beautiful combo box for your application. Then only main point is that you have to define your arrow. Whenever any combo box is active, you just have to define the up arrow, and when combo box is down, there is a two kind of arrow. Okay, down arrow and up arrow. So let's change the value. Here we will set the or change the background color. Now apply. Wait for the build. Actually there is a property is the down arrow on. Okay, now let's run this application and check this. Wait for the build. So you can see, so when pop-up is open, our abstract item view is open, that arrow color is already changed. So here you can define your two kind of icons for your when pop-up is open, abstract item view is open, and when abstract item is not open. Okay, so just you have to define your background color or background image, whatever you want to set width and height margin according to your combo box style sheet and size. So this is how we can customize and change the style sheet of our combo box control, and how we can set the specific image on our indicator control or drop down arrow or drop down on arrow. Okay, so please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding combo box control style sheet, and please don't hesitate to ask any questions regarding combo box control. Please drop your comment if you have any question regarding combo box control, and please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get a notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.